Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It's Friday night. I'm gonna do a little weekend vlog. We're about to go out to dinner. This is like the last supper is what I keep calling it because tonight is the last night that restaurants are open for indoor dining. So yeah, we live in Pennsylvania, so it's very cold. So outdoor dining is not really a thing at the moment. So we're getting Italian, and it's also kind of like our celebratory engagement dinner also, because we haven't had like gone out to dinner just the two of us yet. So that's what's going on. I'll show you guys my outfit. If you guys can see, it's like dark in here, so I don't know if you can see. I just have on, it's not focusing at all. That's a little bit better. I have on this sweater dress. It's like a turtleneck sweater dress from H&M, and then I have on these tall over the knee boots. I got these from Target like 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. We got some bread, sangria. I wanted to show you guys how cute the decorations are. They have the cutest Christmas decorations here, all like the presents and everything. They look so cute. I'm so excited to eat. I'm so hungry. Got my pasta. It's Kyle's pasta. I cannot wait to eat it. We just got home from dinner. I am so unbelievably full. I ate so much bread, so much pasta. I do have leftovers though, but I'm so full. I also forgot that I did laundry earlier, and I need to fold that now. So I always watch a show when I do it. I'm rewatching Desperate Housewives for the third time, I think. I just love Desperate Housewives. I'm gonna watch that and fold this laundry. It is Saturday morning. We've already done quite a lot. We worked out this morning already. We went to see a wedding venue, and now I just made breakfast. So this is what we got. I have avocado toast with everything but the bagel seasoning. This is on the Dave's Killer bread that I showed the other day with 1 whole egg. And then I have 2 turkey sausage patties, and then also some mango on the side. I was trying to decide what to do, if I should work on my online coaching stuff or meal prep right now. So I decided to meal prep and just get it out of the way. Kyle's gone right now with his friends, so I decided to just do this instead of working on my stuff, and then I'll do that after. So I just did a little bit right now. I made a ton of rice because I'm going to have 2 meals with rice this week. So that's 4 cups of rice. It like multiplies, I feel like, when you actually make it. And then this is chicken, peppers, pineapple, and teriyaki sauce. So I just put that all in one pan and cooked it all together. It looks so good and smells so good too. And then in the oven, I just have some carrots cooking right now. I think that's all I'm going to do for right now. And then I think that I might do the rest tomorrow. I'm gonna make enchiladas because I didn't make them last weekend, and I'm gonna make them tomorrow so that we can have them for dinner too. And then I have another like stir fry type of thing with like veggies and chicken. So I think I might make that tomorrow too. I can't really decide. Actually, maybe I'll make that for dinner tonight when Kyle gets home. I'll do that. And then I have this other idea. I found this on Pinterest. My other thing that I'm thinking of making, which maybe I'll make tomorrow for like lunch, it's like a mozzarella grilled cheese type thing. So you do the bread, you like toast the bread, and then you put pesto on the bread, and then you slice up tomatoes. These are my tomatoes. And then you do mozzarella. So I think I'm gonna try that tomorrow for lunch, see how that goes. And then that'll be good because it'll be like a quick thing that I can make during the week if we need something else, or like a lunchtime thing I can make. So I think that will be good too. But I can't decide if I should keep cooking now I think I might save the rest for tomorrow and work on my coaching stuff now. That's what I'm gonna do. I also got in my Patula stuff, so I'm actually, this is one of those sweatshirts that I got in. So comfy. It's launching on Tuesday, the 15th. So this will probably be out after that, but it'll have launched by now. So I got this sweatshirt, and then they're also launching these cozy sets, and they're amazing. You guys need every piece of it, I promise you. They're so freaking soft. So this is the set that I just got. So it's like a jogger, super cute, and then the bottoms have like a little tie, really, really cute. So this is the color Latte. It's like a cream. And then I also got this crop. So it's a long sleeve crop, and then it just ties. So soft. I don't know if you guys can even, yes, there we go. It's like a blanket. It's literally so amazing. So everyone needs one of those sets. So they have that in the crop long sleeve, and then they have a crop tank, the jogger, and a robe. So amazing, definitely a must. I'm watching Desperate Housewives. If you guys can hear that, it's so loud. But yeah, I'm gonna do some coaching stuff, and I will talk to you guys later. I have been working on my workout guide for like the past couple hours. That's all I've done. I wrote 70 workouts, which is insane, and then my brain started to hurt and I stopped getting creative. So I needed to take a break, and then I'll pick back up with it tomorrow to try to get like another chunk of it done. But that's literally all I've been doing. Now I'm making dinner, which is very similar to what I just meal prepped. So I have chicken, teriyaki sauce, pineapple, and then like stir-fry veggies. I just got a stir-fry veggie kit from the grocery store. So that's what we're doing. And then I have rice from what I made before. So I'm just making that. And then after that, I'll probably just watch Desperate Housewives and then go to bed because I don't feel like working anymore. And I'm just gonna try to get a lot done tomorrow. I'm really trying to get it all done before January 1st so that you guys can have it before the 1st for like resolutions and all of that stuff. So I need to like time block every single day a chunk of time to get a lot of it done because I do have a lot more left to do, but I'm really proud of myself for the amount that I got done today. And tomorrow I think I'll get even more done because that's all I'm gonna do all day. Since I meal prepped a lot today, I only have like 2 more things to make tomorrow, so that won't be too hard. Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday. I decided I'm gonna do like a full day of eating in this day of this vlog. I don't know how long this is gonna get because I'm doing this, but I just woke up and I had my vitamins. So every day I take fish oil, vitamin D3, my multivitamin, and then I took my greens and collagen. So I take that on an empty stomach. I just chug it. And now I just have my water. So I'm drinking some water, and then I also have my essentials in here. So I have all of that, all of the supplements. So on Saturdays and Sundays I like to drink my essentials in the morning before I have anything else, and then I'll sip on it like throughout the morning while I'm making breakfast and while I'm eating breakfast. So that's what's going on now. I'm gonna start breakfast soon. Once I make breakfast, I will show you guys what I'm having. For breakfast, I have a piece of Dave's Killer bread with avocado, everything but bagel seasoning, and egg whites with organic ketchup on it. Kyle and I went for a little jog earlier. So we went for 30 minutes, which is really good for me because you guys know I do not like cardio and I don't really do cardio. Now I'm just having some protein. It's the vegan chocolate almond coconut flavor from BOWMAR. I'm having this now. On Sundays, even though I usually have just like a full rest day and I don't lift on Sundays, I'll usually still have protein just because otherwise I won't eat enough protein in the day because protein is just hard for me to get in, so I generally have to supplement every day. I usually have like 1 or 2 scoops of protein daily just to make sure that I'm getting enough. So I'm deciding to have it now after I ran. So here we go, this is it. I'm gonna drink this, and I also am going to add my Joint 16 back into my supplement rotation. So I used to take this and then I just kind of stopped. I don't know why, I just stopped. So I need to add it back in since I'm gonna be doing some cardio for getting ready for the wedding. I need to add in some cardio into my routine. So I have really bad ankles and knees from gymnastics, so I need to start having this again. So you either take 1 pill 3 times throughout the day, or you can take 3 pills at one time with a meal. So I'll probably just have the 3 pills with my lunch, and we'll do that, but I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys this as well. I just got home from running some errands and I am so freaking hungry. I did pick up the Alani Nu energy drinks because I needed more. So I'm gonna have one of those soon. But right now I'm just having a green apple. This is a very large green apple. So I just cut that up and I'm going to put the BOWMAR cinnamon sugar cookie on top. This stuff, I'm not kidding, it is so freaking good. You guys need this. It has sprinkles in it, which honestly is what makes it so good. They're like the sugar sprinkles and they're just so good. So everyone needs to buy it. I'm gonna have this and then decide what else I want for like full lunch because I'm definitely very hungry. I'm back again. I literally just finished my apple, but I'm hungry. So I am having, I'm just gonna point you guys down. This is what I made yesterday. So it's just jasmine rice with chicken, pineapple, and peppers and teriyaki sauce. So I'm having that for lunch. And then I also have half of the Alani Nu, what's this flavor called? Tropsicle. I haven't tried this flavor yet. So I have that in here with ice just because I just got it, so it's not really cold yet. But my favorite flavor is the mimosa so far. Second favorite is the Whitney Simmons like blue slushy one, but I still need to try this one, the Tropsicle, the watermelon wave. I have that one, and then the like galaxy one, but I haven't been able to find that one, so I think I need to order it online. And then there's like a new one too, like a new blue one. But let's try this one, see our thoughts. This one's really good. It tastes similar to the mimosa one. Yeah, I really like it though. I like that flavor a lot. So far I've liked pretty much every flavor. I just like the ones that are like a little bit more sour almost, if that makes sense. Like rainbow candy I liked, but I didn't love rainbow candy. Recommend. I'm gonna eat this, get started on some work. I also just took my Joint 16 after I ate my apple. I just took all 3 pills. They're definitely hard to take. They're big and they're like not like smooth, like textured. So they're tough because they're big too, but oh well, I need it. My joints are gonna hate me after doing cardio. I'm trying the tomato mozzarella grilled cheese situation. So I have Dave's Killer bread in here with some, I can't believe it's not butter. So I put that on the pan on both sides. I'm gonna cut up the tomato. And then I also have my pesto. So I'm going to shake it up. I'm going to like spoon some on to this. And then on the other slice of bread, I have it on the counter right now. So we'll see how this works. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of guessing. We have the finished product. It actually looks really good. So This is the inside. I wish the cheese was like melted a little bit more, but the outside started getting burnt, but it looks really good. I'm excited. I'm making some dinner now. So I'm making the enchiladas. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So in here, I just have ground turkey. It's 93 lean. And then I just put salt and pepper in there for now. Once it's cooked a little bit more, I'm gonna drain some of the grease out. The grease kind of like accumulates as it cooks. So I'm gonna drain some of that when it's like halfway cooked, and then I'm going to add in this big can of the enchilada sauce. I get the mild one because neither of us like spicy things. So I'll add that in and finish it cooking in the sauce. And then over here, I have a plate with the tortilla on it. These are the rest of the tortillas that I got. I just get the whole wheat ones. So once the meat is done, then I put it in here to wrap up, and I just put that on a plate. And then I have my little baking pans here. Once I have them all wrapped up, I put them in here in these pans. Make sure it's like a deeper one. So then you just line them all up, pour some extra enchilada sauce on and cheese, and then bake them. So that's why I have another little can, because I'll use the little one to pour on top. So once this is cooked, I will show you guys how to like wrap them up and put them into the baking dish. I added in the enchilada sauce, and it's been cooking the rest of the way in that. So I'm going to start adding the meat to the shells and wrapping them up. As you can see, I'm not very good at wrapping the tortillas. They look like a mess, and this is how they look every single time. But it is what it is. Also, I didn't need the other pan. I thought I was going to. I do still have some taco meat left, so I'm just gonna wrap this up and put this in a container separately, and then I'll just eat this on its own with like rice and beans and veggies or something like that. So I'm gonna stick this in the oven now. I have the oven preheated to 400, and I'm just gonna stick it in for like 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts and the tortillas get a little bit crispy. So I'm gonna put these in now. The enchiladas are done. I already took ours and put them on a plate, but it took probably like 10 minutes in the oven. They are kind of a mess, but oh well. And then I just added on top some tomato and sour cream. The sour cream is melting all over. But I had some extra tomato from the grilled cheese that I made earlier, so I just cut it up and put it on top. So I'm gonna eat this and then see if I eat anything else after that. I decided that I want something sweet, a little bit more protein. So I'm making a protein ice cream type of thing with my BOWMAR mint chocolate chip protein. So I just have some ice, and then I'm going to add in 1 scoop of this protein. And then I'm going to add in some of this cocoa powder. It's just the Superfoods cocoa powder. I got it off of Amazon. So I think last time I made this, I did like 1 scoop. And I wanted it a little bit more chocolatey, so I think I'm gonna do like 1.5 scoops. And then I'm going to add some milk. So this is the milk that I'm using. All right, that should be good. So I'm gonna mix this up. And that is the final product. I'm going to eat this now, and this is gonna be the last thing that I have. It's 7 o'clock, so I need to go to bed in like an hour. Since I have to go into the office tomorrow, I have to wake up a little bit earlier. So I'm gonna eat this, and that's gonna be it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.